Ever wondered why some software projects fail to meet business goals? Domain-driven design, DDD, bridges the gap between technical and business teams, ensuring alignment and reducing complexity. Let's explore how DDD can transform your projects. The Ubiquitous Language is a cornerstone of DDD, promoting a shared vocabulary between developers and stakeholders. This common language minimizes misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. Bounded contexts help manage complexity by defining clear boundaries within a system. Understanding entities, value objects, and aggregates further refines how we model and interact with domain concepts. Integrating DDD into your projects involves a step-by-step approach. Start by identifying key domain concepts and establishing a ubiquitous language. This foundation paves the way for a more structured and effective implementation. Real-world examples highlight the success of DDD in various industries. Overcoming challenges like resistance to change requires persistence and a clear vision of the benefits DDD brings to the table. We've covered how DDD bridges gaps, aligns goals, and simplifies complexity. By adopting these principles, you can enhance communication and project success. Remember, the impact of DDD on software development is profound. Now it's your turn. Start applying DDD principles in your projects today. By doing so, you'll unlock new levels of efficiency and collaboration. Let's embark on this journey together and transform the way we build software.